I'm here today to confront a shadow that darkness our nation. A disease that eats away of the every foundation of trust and progress of corruptions. It's not merely about politicians leaving their pockets or accepting backrooms deals. It's about a fundamental betrayal or violation of the scared packet between the governance. We see in the Philippines where the promise of a better future is too often sacrificed at the altar of the greed. We witness the dreams of ordinary citizens, those place their faith in leaders, dissolving into a disappointment. This is not just failure. Governance is not moral catastrophe. When those entrusted with the power prioritize personal gain over the well-being of the people. They include the very fabric of society. It's a short-sighted obsession with wealth that blinds them to the long term. Instead of protecting our communities against disasters, they exploit volunteers or profit. But corruption is not inimitable few weird. We people hold the power of demand to change, integrity, dignity, and accountability. Most of the but corruption is not an inseparable. We the people hold the power of demand, change, integrity, dignity, and accountability. Most of the considered our future. We must empower and protect them from relations. We must educate future generation to value ethical leadership above all else. Let us rise above the cynicism and apathy and allow corruption flourish. Let us reclaim our government and build a society where trust is not a commodity to be browsed and sold, but the bedrock of our collective. Thank you.